Right, I've got a new helper with me today. Here we go. Wait a minute.
In 100 yards, at the roundabout, take the first exit onto Cordon Wood.
What the chuff have I done with that in my pocket? I've changed how she talks. Listen here, I've just tried changing it back, but I had to clue. I don't know what I'm doing. So yeah, I've got a new helper.
Exit the roundabout onto Cordon Wood. In 150 yards, at the roundabout, take the second exit onto Deerne Valley Parkway, A6195.
She don't know if rabbit on like. Oh, I'm gonna have to change that back. I can't cope with that. Imagine being stressed out in traffic and you ain't got a clue where you're going, and then turn
Exit
down
the roundabout onto Deerne Valley Parkway. Continue on Deerne Valley Parkway for half a mile.
Oh, can you picture that? You ain't got a clue where you're going and you've just got a rabbit in on a yellow oil. You can't understand her properly. I'm a bit of a shock this morning when I put sand on.
In a quarter of a mile, at the roundabout, take the third exit onto A6195.
Yeah, alright, we've had enough. Anyway, it's brightened the morning up a bit, that. I've got a decent trek to do today. It's been a while since I've been this end of country. I'll say this end. I'm doing an hour up more to well, 45 minutes. I'm going through to go do this, like two farm trailer, only little farm trailers, but two of them need doing. I'm gonna have to listen to her in a minute. Yeah, we've got two farm trailers to do, and they're only chassis. Bouncing all over. Oh, that's what I want to talk about. Has anybody else got one of these vans, a Sprinter van? And then some days, like today, it just don't want to move. It just don't want to go anywhere. It does it every now and again. It's not limp mode. It's not limp mode. In power restrictive mode or all like that. It just does it every now and again, and it's not weight, because yesterday I had a full ton in back. I had a ton of media and it was flying yesterday, but today it just wakes up and it just does not want to move on a morning. It's got no beans about it. And then some days it flies, even with loads of weight in. I don't pull over, it's gonna do. I ain't got power to get around it. This concrete truck is pulled in and all. I've got a massive amount of power. I better pull in and let this van past. Come on. Oh, he ain't got power either, I don't think. Yeah, because he has. I'm flat out, mate. Right, so we've got a couple of these to do today. I'm going to bring this back up to life. Knock all that rust and paint off it, get it prepped for some paint. Oh, there's a couple on them to do, so... Right, let's get into it. freebie. That's what I like to call me, freebie, because that's what's running off from last job. That's just all shot that were left in pots. So I'm just going to fill it up now and then we can crack on.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me fucked up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll bleed on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I don't fucking take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts.
Something deep inside